Okay, we're going to talk about how to compare fractions today. And the first thing I'm going to say that you need to do is you need to use different colors. So for this activity, I want you to go get markers and paper for this. We're not going to use our dry erase boards because it's going to get confusing if we don't have different colors. So we're going to turn all of these into decimals. And so the first one I'm going to turn into decimal is 1/2. Okay? I'm going to get my red pen out. I'm going to look at 1/2. I'm going to put it in my calculator as 1 divided by 2. And I'm going to get my answer. I have to be really careful. I've got to copy that decimal point and 5. So then I'm going to get out my blue marker because now I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to put in my calculator 1, I'm just reading it, 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. Put that in my calculator. And again, wait for my answer, 0.25. So now I want to get out my green, 3/5. Put it in my calculator as 3 divided by 5. That one is going to be 0.6. So I need to compare these now. So we've talked about comparing before. When it's a decimal, I like to put them on a T-chart. I'm going to line my decimal points up on my T. So now I've got 5, 25, 6. I have to make them look the same, so add those zeros. And now if I was putting these from least to greatest, my least would be 0.25. Next would be 50, so 0.5. And last would be 60, 0.6. Now, again, if I'm using the decimals and I'm really comparing fractions, I'm going to have to go back and when I put this into my work or pick my choice, I'm going to have to go find out what did I say 0.25 was? I got to come back here. Okay, hold on. That was blue. Okay, so I need to go get my blue marker. 1/4 was the smallest. Next, 0.5. What color was 0.5? Oh, that was red. Get 0.5 out. Oh, sorry. That's really going to be a fraction, so I'm going to get the red out again, but I'm going to write 1/2 would come next. And then last, at 0.6, the color I used was green, so that's 3/5. So now I can go and I can put these fractions in order.